Good morning, guys. This is day 8 of the Colorado adventure to end all adventures. We're out here in Aspen. So we came out to Aspen last night, started editing, went to the library. The plan was we were just gonna eat lunch in Aspen, right? But lately I just haven't been in the mood to drive over like 2 hours, you know? So I edited the video and then it was like 6 p.m. and I was like, instead of driving back to Carbondale or Redstone, let's see if we can find some camping out here. So we did. It's not the best camping, but if you see right here, it's 72-hour parking only. And there's my car, there's a van, there's another car right there. But I'm not sure if, it's legal, I guess. It's fine. There's signs everywhere that say private property on this side of the road, but this side seems to be fine. There might be somebody stealth camping right now, but we're up here at probably 10,000 feet. I mean, there's aspens everywhere. I came to Aspen, I'm like, where's all the aspens? You just gotta drive up a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the Aspen skate park, which I did go walk by yesterday, and we slept pretty good, but it's crazy how steep this road is too. I was like, I'm glad I didn't keep driving because I'm just not the most trusting on the CVT. We're gonna get going down this hill here, and again, my phone is at 1%. The drone has battery, but this thing, the Insta360 camera I have, is at like 20%. So I gotta go to the library and charge everything up again. I should have brought the Jackery. I should have brought a lot of stuff. So anyway, let's get it. All right, well, we just stopped on Castle Creek Road. That's what road that we, the main road that we were camping off of before we turned on to Little Annie. And here's Castle Creek. So I thought, you know what, dude, let's go wash the face off real quick. Get some of the grime off the face so we can go skate with some energy. So that's what we're gonna do here. Woo, this is nice, man. I wish I could just camp right here. Dude, this would be perfect to camp. There's no signs that say you can't either. Woo! Let's go shred, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, so I've really been liking these new Adidas that I found in Carbondale. So we're gonna try them again today at the park, see how it goes. And yeah, this park is so similar to Sedona with the concrete style. It's like this red rock concrete they use. I didn't know how similar Aspen and Sedona are, but there definitely are some similarities. So we're gonna lace up here, let's get it. All right, we're out here at Aspen Park. Pretty nice, pretty transition heavy here, but still looks like a lot of fun. Little two-stair over there. Let's get it. All right, we'll just do our little cruise around tour of the park here. Got this nice little mini bowl here. Looks like a lot of fun. And then we got this whole huge section right here. Pretty cool with that two-stair back there. And there's also a little ledge right there. And then over here, looks like some more fun stuff. We got a nice big wall right here. Then we got what they call a planter. Kind of a fun thing to skate. I've never really skated that. We got 2 rails here, ride on grind and a flat bar. Got a little transition over here. And then over here, a huge bowl section as well. That's pretty cool. And then we got this little random thing. So yeah, all in all, it's a pretty good park for transition, but not the best street park. We're just gonna tinker around, see what we can do. All right, so we tried this dang 50-50 on this ledge here for about an hour and a half. I don't know. I wanted to do at least half of it in a clean way, but I couldn't really get it. And now I'm just like so tired already, wasted my energy. But maybe we'll just do a tiny bit of transition in the mini bowl, or I'll leave the 2-stair. I don't know, I'm pretty gassed at this point, but we'll see what's up. Uh-oh, guys, it says 2-hour parking. My car's right there. And I should probably talk to this guy and see if he's gonna give me a ticket or not. All right, we're having a little breakfast right now. We got the apple, we got peanut butter, we got a banana we're finishing, and we are working on the edit. I did mess up yesterday. I deleted the drone footage accidentally that I had for yesterday's video, but it's all good. So we got some good ones today. Let's get it. All right, well, you guys missed it, but let me just fill you in on what just happened. So we went up to the city hall. We skated, right? Then we went up to the city hall area to start editing. And then I looked down and I saw that parking guy, right? So I'm like, oh, it's 2-hour parking where I was there. Let me move my car. So I asked some random lady up there where I was working. I'm like, hey, can you watch my stuff for a second while I go move my car? I go move my car to the Clark's grocery store parking lot. Typically when you go to a Clark's grocery store, from what I've done, is there's never like this rule where there's 90-minute parking, but it was Aspen, right? So I spent like, you know, an hour or two editing, and then I checked my phone and DoorDash is pretty busy. I'm like, oh, cool. Well, I'll do some DoorDashing. So I wrap up my stuff, and then I go back to my car there at Clark's, and I literally start it and I'm about to move it. And then I think, oh no, Clark's is just right behind me. I can just leave my car here. So I leave the car there. I go into the store, and it's the worst DoorDash grocery shopping order I've ever done. You know, it's, of course, like usual. Can't find anything. I'm in there for like an hour. I come out to my car with my shopping cart full of DoorDash groceries for other people, and there was a boot on my car. A boot with a big sticker, big orange sticker saying I need to pay $160 after I call the city and pay and wait for all this stuff. And then some young guy comes up to me and he's like, hey, that guy in the Suburban over there, he can help you out and he can give you a discount on the boot. I'm like, so I go talk to the guy. The guy takes off the boot. I still charges me $140. Anyway, it's all little stuff compared to, you know, so much of stuff in life, guys. But a lot of people, they would let this ruin their whole day. I'm chilling. Like, I'm still a little irritated, obviously, but I lost 140 bucks. But we're gonna check DoorDash here. We're back in the Carbondale, Glenwood Springs area. We're gonna try DoorDash out here. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day here, go camp up at Redstone again. That's the plan tonight. Yeah, a little flustered after that whole ordeal. That was definitely a huge, colossal waste of time, and I'll definitely be watching out for areas like that in the future. Aspen, I'm done with Aspen. It's not that great. It's cool, but it's overrated. Aspen, nah, dude, that ain't it. Anyway, we're gonna go in the city market now. I think we're gonna check DoorDash, see how busy it is, but we're gonna go in the city market and hopefully buy some cheap groceries again, some bean salad. But what's crazy, guys, is I stayed up in Aspen. I stayed the night up there. Didn't pay for rent, you know, so I look at it like that. I've also been very good with my money on food. I've only been eating bean salad and, you know, apples and bananas. So going full vegetarian. I've been chugging the cheese sticks though. I've been chugging the cheese sticks. Anyway, what a day so far. Let's get it. All right, guys, it's cooler time. We just spent $17 and we didn't get much stuff, but we gotta fill this thing back up with ice, that's for sure. Cheese sticks. Gotta drain that water out of there. I don't know why this is in there. I don't know why a lot of this is in there. Whatever, dude. Yeah, man, having to pay $140 to get a boot off my car, that's not gonna put me in the best mood. But whatever.
At least I didn't buy ice cream. That would have been the big splurge. All right, so we got Milo's lemonade. we got chocolate milk. Yeah, we're going a little crazy here. I don't know how this is gonna fit in there then. We gotta just chug that chocolate milk, I guess. And then we got the caramel flan still, pickles. I need to eat those pickles. Cheese sticks, avocados. We got some more apples, we got some more avocados. That's about it. I forgot to do this. Got the ready ice. Oh dude, I'm gonna put a couple of these in my water bottle. That's a hack right there. That's a great hack. Oh man, what a day. All right, water bottle, avocado. Yeah, this can all go up. All those should stay in there, but these, yeah dude, that's a great idea. Just put a little bit of ice in the water bottle. Chocolate milk sounds so good. There you have it. Corn salad for lunch. Just need to buy a can opener, man.
All right, well, we're posted up editing, trying to wrap this video up here in Carbondale, and the plan is to go out to Redstone and camp for the night, or maybe we'll just camp here in this parking lot. We got a lot of people just kind of parked out here, so we'll see what's up. But yeah, I'm definitely a little bummed about having to pay 140 bucks to move my car from Clark's while I was in the middle of taking a DoorDash. Yeah, so we're gonna wrap up the video here. Like, subscribe, hit the links in the description if you guys want to check out the gear I use to make the videos, or you want to support me, become a member, you could do that too. We're kind of unemployed right now, so yeah, we gotta put in that work, man. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.